Meaning of e.
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 E. The suffix e is used to indicate the receiver of an action or the person who is affected by it. It is typically added to a verb stem to form a noun that describes the person who is the recipient of a particular action, such as employee, trainee, or grantee. This suffix is commonly used in legal contexts to describe the person who receives a grant, a license, or a lease. Overall, the suffix e is useful for identifying the person or entity on the receiving end of a particular action, making it an important tool for clear communication and legal documentation.